Welcome and hello. This is a tutorial video in EPANET, and this is the first tutorial, so I'm just going to be describing how to download and install the program. If you already have the program downloaded and installed, feel free to skip ahead to another lesson in this playlist. Let's go ahead and get started here. You can just search Google for EPANET. It should probably be the first hit. Boom, right here. I'll also leave a link to this page in the description of the video. So first of all, it tells you what it does. EPANET is a software application used throughout the world to model water distribution systems, and it can be used for many different types of applications in the distribution system analysis. Okay, I'm not going to read all of that, but if you scroll down a little bit further, we read that EPANET is public domain and can be copied and distributed, and it is a Windows-based program, so it should be working on your Windows computer. A little bit further down, we have this section, Software and Manuals. This is where we're going to download the software. So I'm going to just click on this first link for Self-Extracting Installation Program. This is EPANET version 2.2, and it looks like it already downloaded, so that was quick. There are a few other links like toolkits and extensions. I recognize that, but I'm not going to download that right now, maybe in a later lesson. All right, so let's go ahead and click on EPANET 2.2 and then wait for the install. And here we are. It's asking me where on my computer I want to save this program. So that's fine, the default location. Click on Next. Now it's asking me about a shortcut in the Start menu. Sure, I'll go with that. And this is the final confirmation, so I will click Install. Okay, launch EPANET 2.2. All right, boom, we're ready to go. So this right here is the interface to EPANET. And of course, we'll talk more about this in later lessons. But the last thing I wanted to leave you with in this lesson is identifying the location of the user's manual. It is an online user's manual. So if you scroll down a little bit further under manuals, there's the link EPANET 2.2 online user's manual. Boom, this is where we want to start. It gives you a little bit more information like a disclaimer. And then the overview right here steps through the different chapters, such as an introduction, quick start tutorial, work model, EPANET workspace, working with projects. So each of these paragraphs briefly explains the different chapters of the user's manual over here in the left panel, which is the table of contents. So this would be a good page to bookmark. I've already bookmarked it myself. And we'll pick up with this user's manual and start with EPANET in the next lesson.